Hello there. Is your Honeywell AC thermostat acting up and causing discomfort in your home? You're in the right place because today we're diving into how to fix Honeywell AC thermostat issues. A malfunctioning thermostat can lead to inefficient cooling, increased energy bills, and unbearable indoor temperature. But fear not, as we'll walk you through some practical steps to get it back on track, ensuring your home remains the cozy haven you deserve. Step 1. Check the power source. The first step in fixing your Honeywell AC thermostat is to check for any power issues. Start by verifying that the thermostat is receiving power. Ensure the circuit breaker is not tripped. If your thermostat uses batteries, replace them with fresh ones. This simple step often resolves many basic functional issues and helps you identify whether the problem lies with the power supply. Step 2. Verify the settings. Next, review the settings on your thermostat. Make sure that it's set to the correct mode, either cool or heat, depending on the season, and that the fan setting is as desired. Check the temperature set point and ensure it's set lower than the current room temperature for cooling or higher for heating. Sometimes an accidental setting change is all it takes to stop your system from functioning properly. Step 3. Inspect and clean the thermostat. Dust and debris inside the thermostat might cause it to malfunction. Carefully remove the thermostat cover and inspect the interior for dirt, corrosion, or any other visible issue. Use a soft brush or canned air to gently clean the inside, focusing on the metal connections which might be preventing the thermostat from communicating effectively. Careful cleaning can often rectify minor operational issues. Step 4. Check the wiring. Loose or damaged wires can disrupt the thermostat's operation. Turn off the power to the thermostat from the breaker for safety before proceeding. Remove the thermostat from its mounting plate and inspect the wires for any signs of looseness or damage. Tighten any loose connections and ensure that all wires are properly attached to their corresponding terminals. If any wires appear frayed or damaged, it may be time to seek professional help for wire replacement. Step 5. Reset the thermostat. If you've tried the above steps without success, try resetting the thermostat. Locate the reset button on your Honeywell thermostat. It might be small and recessed, requiring a paperclip to press. Hold the button for a few seconds until the display blinks or resets. This can help resolve any minor interface errors or glitches that might have developed over time. Following these steps on how to fix Honeywell AC thermostat issues should help restore your system to proper functioning, delivering comfort back to your space. Regular maintenance and a bit of troubleshooting can keep your thermostat running smoothly and efficiently. If these strategies don't resolve the problem, it may be time to consult a professional HVAC technician to assess and repair any deeper issues with your system. Remember, an efficiently running thermostat not only enhances your comfort, but also optimizes energy use. With the right care and troubleshooting techniques, you can ensure your Honeywell thermostat remains a reliable component of your home comfort system. Stay cool or cozy depending on the season, and thanks for following along to fix your Honeywell AC thermostat.